Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by Profotech Solutions team. I am Sanjay. We are learning backbone.js tutorial from scratch and this is our part 11th of this video session series. In our last video session we have discussed that how we pass our model data to underscore.js templates and this is the continuation of part number 8. In this video session we will discuss that what's about the syntax. Actually we will write in the templates when we pass our model data. So let's make of that. So this is the model of the last video session. As you have remembered that we have created this model, we have passed the values to this model by using set property, and this is the view that we have created so far. Here we have assigned a template and this refers to an external template of ID my template. This is the template that we have made as an external by passing type attribute. Here we have rendered the template's content inside this DOM element of ID content. In this template we have passed the model into JSON values. So to retrieve all the values to this JSON, let's inspect what actually we will get the values inside this model. So just save this file, go to browser and refresh this page. Once you refresh, the model object is created. Just copy of that, paste it here. Under the attributes section we can see that we have set three properties of that: author, ID and the name. So we want that all these values actually want to appear to our templates. So just go inside that. So here we are retrieving the name, author and the ID attribute of our JSON array. Just save your file, go to browser and refresh this page. So what's the error guys? It's back to our browser and as you can see guys, it's a video 11.html and we are running video 10. So let's make it 11. As we can see, we can now access the name, author and the ID value of a model. So all the values that we have set to this model object now we can retrieve by using the key value pair of name, author and the ID. So in this video session we are mainly focusing on the syntax, means what will be the syntax that we have to follow while writing any key value pair in templates. So you have to just keep in your mind that any calculation if you want to make to our templates, then we have to use the syntax like this is the syntax that we will use when we will perform any calculation. Means suppose if you want to compare two numbers, so in comparing the two numbers actually we are performing an action. So in this condition, suppose where a equal to 10, okay, now we are comparing that a greater than 2. So this is actually we are performing in a calculation. So when we manipulate anything we need to follow the syntax like this, and when we want to print something on the screen, means we want to show output, then in that condition we have to use something like this. You have to just add equal to sign in front of this operator. So this is the what we have did so far. We want that name, author and the ID that we actually want to the output screen. So to write all the values we have used the equal to sign. So to perform any calculations we will use without equal to sign. Here as you can see, let's make a simple calculations of that. Just get rid of this. We are going to compare this ID value with 5. Means when we get the value ID means greater than 5, then we will print the name, otherwise we will print the author name. means we are going to perform a simple calculation. So to perform calculation, we have to use the syntax like this. If a is greater than 5, you need to close this bracket. Now else here, as you can see guys, we have performed calculations that when we find the id value, sorry, it's an id, when we find the id value, if it's greater than 5, then we are going to print name. As you can see, this is the operator. Actually we will use this operator to print something. So in this condition we want the name to be outputted. So to get the name we have to use the equal to sign, and this is the very basic calculation. So here we are comparing the value of id with 5. If it's greater than 5, then we get the name, otherwise we get the author name. So in this condition we can see that the value of id is 2, which is less than 5. So in this condition we will get that the author name. So just save your file, go to browser and refresh your page. As you can see, we will get the author name. You have to focus guys about the syntax of backbone.js. When we manipulate or calculate something, then in that specific condition we need to write this is the symbol without equal to sign. But when we want to print something on the screen or output screen, then we have to use the equal to sign. In this line we are actually printing the name and the author. So in these conditions we are actually have added equal to sign, but 1, 2, 3, in these 3 lines we haven't printed anything into the output screen. So we have just get rid of the equal to sign from these lines. So suppose I have made, suppose it 10. So when we get the value of id equal to 10, means 10 is greater than 5, it returns the true value. After returning true value, it will print the name value to the output screen. Just save your file, go to browser and refresh this page. Here as we can see, we get the name of value. So guys, actually in this video session I have mainly focused about the syntax, means what are the symbols that we actually use in backbone.js applications. You have to keep in your mind that while performing any manipulation or calculation under the templates, you need to include the symbols without using equal to sign. But when you are printing something to the output screen, then you have to use the equal to sign. This is the line actually used to perform calculations. Otherwise, for printing to the screen, means when we want the output to the screen, we have to actually include the equal to sign. So guys, if you have any query about this video session, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. In this video session, we have seen the basic steps about the using of special symbols under this template. So guys, I think you like this video session, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And also guys, if you are a beginner from this video session, then just go to online web tutor. Here you can find the several resources that we have provided under backbone.js tutorial from scratch, and this is for perfect beginners actually who wants to learn backbone.js. So guys, for this video session, thank you for watching. Have a great day.